Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Gerardo here, aka Humble Trader 2.5. It's September 3rd, 2019. I hope you guys had a great Labor Day weekend. I know I did. I just want to do a quick recap going over my trades for today. Not a great day today, guys. I'm not going to lie. I basically lost on my first trade $180 and I won back 110. And both of these trades were on ELTK. ELTK right here. So let me go over what happened today. So today I saw this. Well, first of all, it ran 4 days in a row green, and it was up. What is this? About 80%, right? I saw this thing gapping down pre-market, and I thought it looked very weak, but it was illiquid, so I was very nervous in jumping in. But at 9:30 exactly, I jumped in at 618.5. Got into a short position, and this chart's not really doing it justice right now, but here we go. Got into a short position literally right here. I mean, 618.5 was the entry, or 618.6. Sorry about that. Got in. This thing dropped down, but the spread was so wide. It was just somebody just I think just smacking the ask, and this thing just dropped all the way down to 680. But there was no buyers down there. There was no buyers down there. I tried covering for about it was like about $88 and on 200, I think it was 200 shares or 220 shares, and I did not get filled. I did not get filled. I moved it up, but did not get filled. This thing just ramped back up, broke red to green, which is right here at 638, which is why I marked it right here. I thought this resistance would hold using the overextended gap down strategy, and it just broke through, ripped all the way to 6.85, and guess where I covered? It just moved so fast. I could not put in a limit order. I did not want to put a market order because the spread was so wide. So I eventually got out at 6.83. The top on this candle, guys, was 6.85 before dropping right on back down. Sorry, that was on my alarm. Before dropping right on back down and just doing basically what I suspected. Um, I had the intention of waiting for this thing to play out and then jumping in, but I just felt that it was so weak that I just jumped in at 620 or 618, whatever, and risking off of the 638 mark because that area was holding pre-market pretty well. Um, but I knew that $7 was a strong resistance from this day right here, which was so it dropped down after this big run up. It dropped down hard, dropped down again, and tried to get back up here into this area, but so many people were trapped in here in these two green days that they were just holding this thing down at about $7. That's why I have it marked right here at 701. Um, and so my initial thought was, okay, I'm gonna get in risk off of $7, wait for a hard pullback in the bounce, which is what it did right here. This hard pullback bounce, and I will get in risking off of that $7 area. Okay, but unfortunately, I got too eager, jumped in at that 618.6 mark, dropped down, could not get filled in here, went up, and I covered at dead top by 2 cents, and took a big loss right there. Came up right on back down. I took a short at 620 because this thing was looking super weak, and I knew it was not going to hold that 685. I knew this thing was going to fall down. I knew it was going to be a one-hit wonder and then come right on back down, at least for the first hour or so. So I jumped in and then covered at 5.65. So on this candle right here, 5.65. Got out and made at least some of my money back. Kept the loss of $70 loss on the day. Not bad, but just not what I was expecting. This thing just ripped on me, man. It was just way too fast. And I tried limit ordering out, but it was just moving too fast. I didn't want to market order because of the spread, so took a big loss right there, guys. Then I don't have any more trades on this account, so I was forced to just watch this thing do exactly what I suspected, go up to about $7, do a hard crack, bounce at basically red to green, and go back up and retest, and I knew it was not gonna break it. Had I had shares, I mean trades, I would have slammed this thing at 6.85, 6.8, wherever it was around here. Probably even at 6.75, I would have started entering in, because I'm just so confident about this play. But anyways, missed out. Was forced to watch it. This thing fell apart, cracked all the way back down to 5.92, bounced up here, and now is just in this channel between 6.5 and 5.9. So this thing is probably gonna drop on down very, very soon. Probably have a hard crack in the afternoon, later afternoon, right before the close. If it doesn't, I'd be pretty surprised. But that's what I'm thinking is going to happen with this play. Some other plays that were trending and were hot today was ABEO. This is a former runner right here, big volume, but it's I'm going to be definitely watching this tomorrow because this thing is up 80%. So I'll be looking for a overextended gap down on this play. This right here is CDTX. Gapped up big, kind of gave it all up in the morning, but kept more than half of it. So I'm sure this thing will probably run back up tomorrow, or it's gonna either just gap down tomorrow morning and crash. Some pretty good plays on this Tuesday morning, and I'm pretty excited to see what's to come tomorrow. I'm waiting for my trades to come back in interactive brokers so I can get in on some plays. But as for me, guys, for the day, that's about it. $70 loss, 180 loss to start off the morning. The first 3 minutes of the morning, not how I wanted to start the week at all. But it happens, and I'm glad that I was able to win some of it back. All right, guys, thank you, and have a great day. Great rest of the day. Good luck to you all, and I'll be back doing a recap tomorrow.